Most people treat their money like a houseplant. Water it when they remember, hope it doesn't die, and wonder why it never really thrives. That's not how wealth works. Real wealth comes from systems that compound while you sleep, the kind that don't need you checking in every 5 minutes or second guessing every move. Today we're building exactly that, an AI-powered cash flow engine that runs on autopilot. No fluff, no theory, just the blueprint. Why cash flow beats everything else. Here's the truth. Nobody wants to say out loud, net worth is a vanity metric. It looks good on paper, makes for nice dinner conversation, but it doesn't pay your bills or fund your life. Cash flow does. You can have $1 million portfolio and still be broke if nothing's flowing into your account every month. Meanwhile, someone with 200K generating 4K monthly in passive income, they're living better than most people with 10 times their net worth. The game isn't about accumulation, it's about velocity. How fast can you turn assets into income? How reliably can that income show up? And how little attention does it need from you? That's where AI comes in. And in December 2025, the tools have finally caught up to the promise. The 3-layer cash flow system. This isn't complicated, but it is specific. 3 layers, each automated, each feeding the next. Layer 1, income, capture, and routing. Every dollar that hits your account needs a job. Not tomorrow, not when you get around to it. Immediately. Set up automatic splits the moment income arrives. 50% to investment accounts, brokerage, real estate, dividend funds. 30% to operating expenses, bills, lifestyle buffer. 20% to opportunity fund, cash reserves for deals, emergencies, or strategic moves. Use tools like M1 Finance or Betterment to automate the investment piece. Link your checking account, set the rules once, and let it run. No willpower required, no "I'll invest next month" excuses. Layer 2, AI-driven dividend optimization. Dividends are the closest thing to free money in investing. Companies pay you just for holding their stock, but most people treat dividend investing like throwing darts at a board. Here's the smarter play. Use AI tools like Perplexity Pro or ChatGPT with web access to screen for dividend aristocrats, companies that have raised dividends for 25 plus years. Payout ratios under 60%, sustainable, not stretched. Yield between 3 to 6%, sweet spot for income without risk. Sectors with pricing power, utilities, consumer staples, healthcare. Then automate quarterly rebalancing. When dividends hit your account, they automatically reinvest into underweighted positions. Compounding on autopilot. Example, portfolio structure. 40% dividend ETFs, SEHD, VYM, DGRO, 30% individual dividend stocks screened via AI, 20% REITs, real estate income without the landlord headaches, 10% bond ladder, stability, predictable income. Layer 3, automated reinvestment and scaling. This is where most people stop. They build income, collect dividends, and then nothing. The money sits there like a lazy employee. Don't do that. Set up a reinvestment protocol. Every $1,000 in dividend income triggers an automatic purchase of the next asset on your watch list. Use Make, Calm, or Zapier to connect your brokerage API to a Notion dashboard that tracks targets. AI scans for opportunities weekly. Undervalued dividend stocks, new RET offerings, bond yield spikes. The system feeds itself. Income generates more assets. More assets generate more income. You're not managing it. You're just watching it grow. The AI tools that make this work. December 2025 edition. You don't need a finance degree. You need the right stack. Here's what's actually working right now. For portfolio screening, Perplexity Pro. Real-time dividend stock analysis, sector trends, payout sustainability checks, ChatGPT with plugins, build custom screeners, backtest strategies, generate watch lists. Claude, Anthropic, deep analysis of company financials and dividend sustainability. For automation, M1 Finance, Auto Invest, Auto Rebalance, Custom Pi portfolios. Make. Calm, connect brokerage APIs to Notion, trigger buys based on rules. Notion AI, track performance, flag opportunities, maintain your investment thesis. For monitoring, Personal Capital, free dashboard for net worth, cash flow, and portfolio tracking. YNAB, you need a budget. Expense tracking that syncs with your income. Routing system, what this looks like in real life. Let's say you're starting with 50K and adding 2K month. Month 1, 50K invested in dividend portfolio, 4% yield, now quicker $2,000 a year, 167 month. 2K monthly contribution auto splits. 1K to investments, $600 to expenses, $400 to opportunity fund. Month 12, portfolio value, 65K, contributions plus growth. Monthly dividend income, 217 opportunity fund, $4,800, ready for next move. Month 24, portfolio value, 82K, monthly dividend income. 273 VAL, opportunity fund, $9,600, enough to buy a rental property down payment or fund business. The system compounds, the income grows, you're not doing anything except letting it run. The bottom line cash flow isn't sexy, it doesn't make for viral tweets or flashy Instagram posts, but it's the difference between playing rich and being rich. Build the system, automate the inputs, let AI handle the optimization, then step back and watch it work. That's how you win. Next issue, we're diving into real estate cash flow without the landlord nightmares. REITs, syndications, and the AI tools that find deals most investors never see. Stay sharp, wealth is a system, not a guess.